Is it?
That sounded good.
Yeah, you can move that articulator whatever you like.
I think you can.
Set it down in there.
I think you can drop it now. I think you can.
Get my pipe out of here. Yeah.
I think so. Only problem is we pulled. We're no longer straight. We've got a big gap on this
On the
corner.
inside?
Yeah, on the outside.
Oh, that's what I meant.
So can we get closer with the bottle jack?
Oh, he pulled that out of the Jeep, and that
Inch to go.
you're good. Right, bud.
Be kind to her.
Be kind to her.
Oh, if it holds up half as good as it sounded.
Yeah, it sounded really good.
Yeah, it did.